Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Tesla Model X garage door opener. First, park your Model X close to the garage door, ideally within 10 to 20 feet. Next, access the Home Link menu on your Tesla's large touchscreen display. You'll find this option under the Controls tab. Make sure your original garage door remote is fully functional and has fresh batteries, as you'll need it for the programming process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth integration. Now let's get to programming. On the Home Link screen, select Add New Home Link and give your new garage door opener a descriptive name like Main Garage. Then, position your original garage door remote control about 2 to 6 inches from the front bumper of your Model X, near the passenger side headlight. Press and hold the button on your remote that opens the garage door. Continue holding it until your Tesla's headlights flash 3 times, indicating it has learned the signal. If your garage door system uses a rolling code, there's an extra step. Go to your garage door opener motor unit, usually mounted on the ceiling, and locate its Learn or Smart button. Press this button once. You'll typically have about 30 seconds to return to your Model X. Once back in your car, quickly press the Home Link button on your Tesla's touchscreen 3 times. This action will finalize the pairing with the rolling code system, completing the setup. After completing all the steps, it's time to test your new Home Link connection. Drive your Model X a short distance away from the garage, then press the programmed Home Link button on your touchscreen to ensure it opens and closes the door reliably. If you experience any issues, try adjusting your vehicle's parking position slightly during the initial programming. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy the convenience of your integrated garage door opener.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.